Welcome to Kids Channel.
Mushroom Town. A snoozy sleepover.
Prepare for the buzz of doom! Ah! You're a worthy opponent, Master Pillow. We will meet again.
Who's ready for a yummy surprise?
Kitty Natty Ninja Cats are always ready for surprises.
Ta-da! Popped Peppy Peppers?
That's like my fourth favorite snack. After, of course, Fishy Poof Crackers. Fishy Poof Crackers with zesty cheese, and limited edition extra light poof Fishy Poof Crackers.
Hold it. Popped Peppy Peppers? Check. Suzuni Juice Balls? Check. Bendy Straws? Uncheck. Thanks, little helpers. And check. There, everything's ready for the sleepover. Okay, back to snacking.
Oh, bendy straws. I feel like a princess.
You never know when a real princess might show up. I'm here! Griselda! It wouldn't be a party without you. I know. Where's Fruki? Fruki Kids is right here. Care for an ice-cold Zazuni juice? Yes, please. But would you happen to have a bendy straw? So thoughtful of you, True. Hello, party people! So far, so good. Everything's going just as planned. Now we're just waiting on the Rainbow King. That must be him now! Welcome, Rainbow King. Huh? Your Majesty?
A lovely lavender evening to you, True and Bartleby. I'm so excited about your sleepover. I was just making sure I didn't forget anything important, like my blankie, or my pillow, or,
Oh, hey, if you need a toothbrush, I got lots. Oh, there's my tail cleaning brush. I was looking for that. Works like a charm. And I found my gum. Bubble chew. You want some?
Ew! No thanks.
No, it's not a toothbrush. I've got one of those. Oh, what could it be?
Don't worry, Your Majesty. We've got everything you could possibly need.
Purple persimmons. True, your particular predisposition to planning is perfection personified.
What he said.
Thank you, Rainbow King. Please, come in. Rainbow King, good to see you. Well, that's it. Everybody's here. Check. Next up, party time! Ready? Ready. Best sleepover! Yay! Uh-oh. Looks like we're down to our very last party plan. A delicious numbleberry pancake breakfast in the morning! Yay! All right, everybody. Let's get ready for bed. Good night, everyone. Good night, True.
Indigo injustices. I just remember what I forgot to remember. My moo-moo. I always have my moo-moo with me at bedtime.
Moo Moo? That's not on my list. Can you sleep without it?
Well, it has helped me sleep every night for the last 300 or 400 million years. But I'm sure I'll be fine. I'll just count little helpers until I fall asleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6,406. Wait, I skipped one. I'll start over. 1, 2.
Rainbow King, Do you want me to get your moo-moo for you? It's no problem.
Goodness greenness, no. We'd have to go all the way to the royal greenhouse for my moo-moo.
That is pretty far to go.
Not to worry, True. I'll fall asleep soon.
Okay. If you need anything, just ask. Good night, Rainbow King.
Good night, True. Oh, blue bother. I mustn't keep everyone awake. I really don't like using sleeping spells. Well, I can't remember why. But maybe just this once. Starry blue, help me snooze. I'm feeling snoozy already.
What a lovely summer rain. So refreshing.
Bartleby, you're talking in your sleep again.
So are you.
Fruki, you're flying!
Huh? What? True! Look out!
What's going on? Fruki-kins! Fruki! Oh, Fruki, welcome! Calm down! Gotcha! It's okay, Fruki Snuggles. You're safe with me now. Yes, you are. I definitely didn't plan for this.
They're sleep floating. Fascinating. I've read about it. I never thought I'd see it in person. We should pull them down.
No! Don't touch him. If you do, you'll sleep float too.
Can we wake them up? Guess not.
Well, we can't just let them float around bumping into things. We need some rope.
Or strings.
Or a butterfly net.
Or strings.
Or a super long straw. Or string. Good work, little helpers. Wait, where's the Rainbow King?
He's there, going out the window.
Moo-moo.
Rainbow
Wake
King,
up!
wake up!
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
We need to catch up to him and wake him up. Oh, Cumulo! Sorry to wake you, Cumulo, but we've got to go save the Rainbow King. Oh, wait. I forgot to get changed.
Do we need to get changed too?
Nope. Keep your PJs on. We're still having a sleepover. I've just got to be ready for action.
Good idea.
Can you two take Griselda and Fruki back inside? Thanks, little helpers.
The entire metropolis is sleep floating. Fascinating.
Yeah, but Z, everyone in Rainbow City will sleep float right out of town. We need some wish help, and quick. To the wishing tree, please, Cumulo. Z, where are you? I need your help.
True, I'm right behind you.
Oh, right. Sorry. Okay, we need something bright to find Rainbow King and something to get the citizens down. Something sticky.
This is sticky.
No thanks. And we need something loud to wake everyone up.
If he wakes up too suddenly, maybe everyone will fall down.
Right. I didn't think of that. So, pillows! But everyone's still floating, so we do need something sticky. Tape? Glue! No, hair gel. Z, we need wishes.
You're right. We do need wishes. Let's sit and have a think. Okay, True. How can the wishing tree help you?
Well, we don't know what will happen if we wake up the Rainbow King suddenly. The other sleep floaters might wake up too.
And then fall down.
So we'll have to bring everyone down safely first.
Good thinking, True.
And when everyone is down safely, we'll gently wake up the king, and he can break the spell.
The wishing tree has heard you, True. It It is time to get your 3 wishes.
I'm ready. Wishing tree, please share your wonderful wishes with me. Wishing tree, share with me. Shine your wishes. 1, 2, 3. Snuggly. Wishing tree, please share with me. Magic power for you and me. Magic power in a wishing tree.
True, these wishes are incredible. I can't wait to see what the Wishipedia says about their powers. This is Snuggly.
Snuggly.
Snuggly's a blanket wish that can grow big enough for lots of people to take a nap on. And if you sing a lullaby, it'll act like a magnet to anyone who's asleep.
You'll be perfect for gathering everyone and keeping them safe and sound.
Your next wish is Woglow. Woglow is a light wish.
You're exactly what we need on a dark night.
And for your last wish, Poingy, the bouncing wish. Poingy is great at bouncing on its own.
Yeah, it's a cat thing. It's what I do.
Or you can jump onto it to bounce extra high.
I'm not sure how a bouncing wish can help, but I'm sure we'll think of something. Zoo, zip, zap, wishes in my path. Come on, everybody. We've got to go save the Rainbow King. Thank you, Wishing Tree.
Whoa, whoa! Watch out, Cumulo! Maybe it's just me, but this is way too many sleep floaters.
I agree. It's going to be very hard to find the Rainbow King in this mess.
I have an idea. Take us down to the park, please, Cumulo. Time for my first wish. Zip, zap, zoo, I choose you. Wake up, Snuggly. Wish come true. Ready, Snuggly? Snuggly. Oh. Z, you said singing a lullaby makes Snuggly a magnet for anyone who's asleep, right?
That's right.
Well, let's get humming.
Na na na, na na na, na 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 na.
It's working.
And look, here comes the Rainbow King.
Uh-oh. Rainbow King put Snuggly to sleep.
Snuggly's losing its power.
Rainbow King! You need to do something, or he'll float away with everyone.
That would not be good.
I can barely see him now. Huh? Who could be calling at this hour? Rainbow King?
Moo.
He must have pocket bubbled me.
Wake up, Rainbow King! Wake up, please!
It's no use.
Oh, Rainbow King, if only you could tell us what's wrong.
Moo.
Even just a clue.
Moo.
2-word phrase. You know, that points us in the right direction.
Moo.
Yeah, like that.
Moo, that's what's wrong. Rainbow King always has his moo at bedtime, and he can't settle down without it. That's why he's sleep floating. We've been doing it all wrong. Instead of waking him up, we need to help him have a good night's sleep.
Of course. More sleep is the answer to our sleep problem. Yeah, I knew that. Yeah.
All we have to do is get Rainbow King his moo. Cumulo! Come on, Bartleby.
What? What?
Go, Cumulo! To the Rainbow Castle!
Okay, on a scale of 1 to dark, this is dark. How are we gonna find our way? I mean, I don't have that cats can see in the dark thing. It's always been a great disappointment to me. I remember my mother once...
Bartleby?
Oh, sorry.
Time for my second wish. Zip, zap, zoo, I choose you. Wake up, Woglow. Wish come true. You're up, Woglow. Rainbow king set his moo-moos in the royal greenhouse. This way.
Here's the greenhouse.
Maybe the moo-moo is some kind of plant.
But there's gotta be millions of them. How are we gonna know which one is which?
Fortunately, every plant is clearly labeled.
All right, let's go look for the moo-moo plant.
Okay, moo plant, moo plant. Well, I mean, it's not this one. Ah! Drew, wait for me.
Not this one.
It's not this one either.
Or this one.
Maybe it's that viney one over there.
Nope, not over here.
Where is it? Guys, look.
Is that the Rainbow King?
He's floating way too far.
We need to find that moo-moo fast.
Oh, we've just looked everywhere, and there's nothing. Nothing but this giant flower pot.
This must be it.
True, shine the light over here. It's the moo-moo plant. The fruit of the moo-moo plant gives off a soft glow and a gentle hum that is helpful for sleeping.
So, where's the fruit?
Way up there.
Now I understand why the wishing tree gave me Pointy. Here, Z, can you hold Woglow? It's time for my third wish. Zip, zap, zoo, I choose you. Wake up, Pointy. Wish come true. Okay, Pointy, let's bounce. Ready? Let's bounce, bounce, bounce. Go, Pointy, go!
Higher, Drew, higher!
It's just out of reach. Ugh.
How are we gonna get it, True?
I've got an idea. Bartleby, I need some kitty natty help.
I see where you're going with this, Drew.
Let's try this again, Pointy. Ready? Set! Okay, Bartleby, it's ninja time!
Oh, wait! I'm a cat.
Nice work, Bartleby.
I'm very proud of myself.
Thanks for your help, Pointy. You too, Woglow. Zoo, zip, zap, wishes in my pack. Okay, let's bring the Rainbow King his moo-moo. Come on, Cumulo.
There he is.
This will be tricky. If Rainbow King touches me and makes me sleep float, it's up to you two to save the Rainbow Kingdom.
Ha! No pressure.
Rainbow King, I have your moo-moo.
The Rainbow King isn't sleep floating anymore. His moo must have broken the spell.
And look! It's working!
All the sleep floaters are floating back home to their beds.
We did it!
We did it!
Thanks, Snuggly. You were super helpful. Tuck yourself back in the pack now. Let's go home. I'm sleepy.
Sleepy, but we're just getting started. We just saved this whole town. Let's celebrate!
Phew, what a night.
My sleepover didn't exactly go as planned.
Yeah, but you saved the kingdom, True. You're my hero.
And don't forget, we still have numbleberry pancakes to enjoy in the morning.
You're right. This was a pretty good sleepover after all.
True? True.
Hmm? What? Hey, that smells like...
Numbleberry pancakes. We made them just for you. Thanks for saving everyone in Rainbow City.
And you remembered how much I love bendy straws.
Oh, thank you, True, for bringing my moo-moo.
Aw, thanks, everyone. That's so good. Bartleby, you've got to try some.
Best pancakes ever.